2025 Buick Enclave. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, seat massage, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.